welcome to this video where I am going to walk you through the headcount portion of SmartCode. Start from the beginning. So I'm now in the headcount section of contributor. A couple of talking points here to talk about is that in this particular example that we are showing in this little demo, we are actually planning by employee. Now, our solution is extremely flexible and you can plan for headcount in many different ways. This is just an example, planning by employee, but we could easily plan at the grade level, for example, or by role, or we could plan, just in total more if we're doing more of a strategic planning exercise. So that's what it's like there. So let's just take this first employee here and then actually offboard them in November, and then if I use the drill to details, then that's going to take me the details for that particular employee. So you can see that the salary actually drops in November when that person gets offboarded. So you can see how the calculations are geared around the end date. Now, medical assumptions, then you can see we basically have what we call global assumptions, and these are assumptions that are defined centrally by the administrator and then applied consistently and globally across all the employees, across all of the cost centers. So you can see we've got things like some North American-based taxes and medical things in there, and then we've got some compensation assumptions, merit and bonus, and then compensation assumptions by grade. So again, these are what are known as global assumptions. So the benefit of these, of course, is that they're centrally maintained. So if you make a change in, administrator makes a change in a single place, then that change is immediately impacted across everyone. So the benefit to the customer, of course, is consistency. Everyone's using a consistent set of assumptions right across the board. And those changes, because of our in-memory real-time calculation engine, once they make a change, then everyone would immediately see the impact of those changes. But also the concept of local assumptions. So we can define those assumptions by state, by region, by country, or by what other parameter that you like. So where you can reflect the local needs of that particular employee base. Next thing, I'm going to add in a new employee. To the income statement analysis tab. So now I can see all of those changes that I made impacting my income statement, and you can see my headcount is correctly updated down to 2 and then back up to 3 here correctly also. Now instantly, once I'm in here, so let's just suppose I'm looking at the income statement from the point of someone who's maybe doing some reviewing the income statement, maybe doing some variance analysis at the income statement level, then what they can very easily do is drill back from here into the employee cube, and you can see, oh, there's that new employee I added, and here's all the assumptions that were used to come up with the headcount plan. I think that's pretty cool. Also, what we're doing is we're showing both the budget and the target together. So those are the features that we've added into here. Anyway, that concludes this update on the headcount planning model. If you've got any questions, please post it to the community. Thank you.